100 years ago, a career in railway maintenance likely began through VR's machine shop school. These schools were established especially in the 1920s because more skilled labor was needed in the machine shops. Initially, the degree was 4 years long, but in the 1930s it was shortened to 3 years. The first 3 months were a probation period, after which an apprenticeship agreement was made with the machine shop. The students' days were filled with lessons and practical training. Approaching the 1960s, general vocational schools began producing enough skilled professionals for the machine shops, reducing the need for machine shop schools, which gradually phased out. The last machine shop school closed in the late 1980s. Nowadays, all mechanics starting work in maintenance have a professional degree. At the start of their employment, a personal orientation plan is created based on the job tasks. The orientation includes getting to know the work environment, safety instructions, and general practices, followed by professional qualification. This involves going through the necessary rolling stock specific training in both theory and practice, with skills being verified through demonstrations. There are over 1,000 different qualifications and several training levels in maintenance. After completing one training level, mechanics move on to the next. As they progress from one level to another and achieve various qualifications along the way, they become true multi-skilled professionals. Overall, maintenance has always employed and continues to employ a highly skilled workforce.